What are you doing, Minister?
Just a short brief to you.
Okay.
Our project manager is high. There are many things for it. We had a meeting yesterday. We had a lot. Yeah. We don't want to rush. We don't want to do things in rush, and we believe it.
The mirror, but he did also this mirror of the sink. If you have it on the side, you always drip on the floor. Put it here.
Okay, I do that.
You know? And when they do the soap, they leave the drop on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
When it's over the sink, it just falls in the sink.
Oh, okay. So the soup this type of thing.
Yeah.
Reduce the size of the mirror.
Or even on the side,
Yeah.
but as long as the sink is there like this, the soap dispenser is here.
Okay.
Yes?
Who's we? Who did the discussion take place?